Keepa just released a new feature and we are going to go through it together. We are going to see what it is and we are going to see how you can use it in your day-to-day activities when you are looking for leads. And I actually found today, as it was released, I actually found a use case. So I'm going to show you how I am going to use this new feature to make better lead purchasing decision. And let's dive into the computer. So here's the product. Here's the Keepa graph, and here's the new feature. So this new feature allows you, when you hover over the buy box line, to see who was owning the buy box at that specific moment. So for example, right there, if you look right under the price, you'll see buy box $52. Right under the price, you can see that the buy box was I should say FBM at that moment, which was already the case. You were actually already able to see that information, but right next to it you can see that the buy box was owned by a storefront called Above Hole, which has 93% of positive reviews and 5,018 reviews. So this is the new feature and it is going to be super helpful. I am going to show you how I was able to use this feature today on one lead that I was checking out and how it's going to help me make better purchasing decisions. So let me just switch this right here because I do not want to give you my products. It's a lead that I've been looking. It's a lead that I've tested. And here's the thing. As you can see on the far right, on the far right of the Keepa graph, you can see that the price has been going down. So the price is at $28 right now. I do not want to override it because it's going to give the product out, but you can see that the price went lower since, I think it's been 2 days. I'm not even sure. I think it may even been going down just today, like last night. I believe that's the case. So usually the buy box is around $40, okay? And you see in the past that it has been going like at pretty much the same price as low as it is today. Like if you look around January 1st, by that time it was at $32 and it has been going down to $28, okay? It's a guy who owned the buy box with FPM, but by using the new feature, I've been able to see that it's the same guy and he's the only guy going that low in price. And you know what's funny? This product is right now on sale, right? As of today, like today, this product is on sale. If you find it, you are gonna make good money with it. But at that price, at $28, it's just not profitable enough. I think it's like, I will get like 5-10% return on investment, something in that range, right? So I noticed a funny pattern on that listing. Whenever the listing is on sale, I mean the product is on sale on this website, this guy put the buy box at a price that is almost not profitable. And I believe that by doing this, it's a strategy, it's a way for him to keep people away from this product and to not up on the listing. So I noticed that because around January 1st, this product was on sale as well. And it is on sale today and the same thing is happening. So I may still like buy a lot of inventory for this product because this is a product that sells pretty quick. But because, you know, it does not make sense. When you look at it, when you look at the Keepa graph, you will see that basically the price was at 30 and the number of new offers on the listing were not higher than they were. Like if you look between December 24 and January 1st, and like a little bit above when you see that price drop, the price was like the new offers did not go up, but the price went down, and it does not make sense. And I believe that this is one of the strategies because this is a big account, right? This is a real big account with a lot of reviews, and I think that it's a strategy that this account used to keep people away from this listing. So this is one of the case scenario where you are going to be able to use this new Keepa feature to make better purchasing decisions. So try it out. This will help you to dive deeper into the reason why your price go down, and this may make you think and like if you see this kind of stuff happening on other listing, and I've seen it happen on other listing, but right now I have the confirmation that it is a strategy that some people may use, and that I'm going to, like, this is not going to, in the future, this is not going to keep me away from some listing. I may go deep in inventory on that listing. I need to still think about it because I just noticed this right now, but I think I'm going to go deep in inventory in that listing, and this will not have been the case if this feature was not on Keepa. So this will help you make better analysis, better purchasing decision, and hopefully make more money, because this is a great listing and it is just not that great when that guy is doing that. That's it. Once my product goes back in, like, once I get in stock, the price will not be at 28 anymore, I'm pretty sure. The price will be at around $40, which is like 70-80% of return on investment, if I'm not mistaken. So use that new feature. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video.